What's up? What's down? Get around. It's your girl Paris, and I'm about to do a mukbang, 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 muk anything. And I got some spaghetti and some potato and a baked potato, and I'm about to just eat, And I want y'all to see, y'all can see. I want y'all to see food. That food. Right, man. I ain't ate all day, so that's why. Let me change the way I eat. I'm on camera. Okay. We're gonna eat classy. How we gonna do this? We're gonna do it the regular. How I regularly eat. Let's get into some of the baked potato. You look so good to me. I forgot that shot. Y'all want some? Mmm. You found my food bag, in it? What's on site? I didn't even touch my food. Back to spaghetti, which is so bomb. Got a pimple and mold on my lip. Let me eat a piece far. This is so delicious. Like, potato. What cheese? What cheese? Baba cheese. Baba cheese. Baba cheese. This much left. Let's eat. And I am kind of getting a little full, so I'm gonna stop myself before I get full. If you enjoy some background, that's my neighbors. Our neighborhood is so quiet. Would never let me go to a party. They just said 18. I mean 10. I'm gonna ask y'all, do y'all want the first bite next time? Do y'all want the last bite? Cause I am getting. There you go. Wait, here you go. Delicious. I know, right? I know it's delicious. I know it was. This potato, I could have added some more stuff on it, but I was rushing. And then all that school food is nasty. I should add nasty school food. This is the most bites because I feel like this, like my video is not long, so last night. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this one. never touch good eye color. Right? Bye, y'all. See y'all later. Deuces. What I say? Deuces, and I will be doing another mukbang tomorrow. If I have some more food in the refrigerator, definitely be doing another one. See y'all later. Peace out. This is my outro. Deuces.